What's the meaning of chirpily? Chirpily. Chirpily.
Chirpily. Chirpily. Chirpily is an adverb that means to do something in a cheerful and lively manner, often characterized by a high-pitched or chirping sound. When someone does something chirpily, they are typically doing it with enthusiasm or a positive attitude. For example, a person might walk chirpily down the street while singing a song or greeting people with a smile. Overall, chirpily implies a sense of joy and liveliness in one's actions or demeanor.